you doing then, folks? Yeah, it's Alex here, Mad Dog Brewing Company, and yeah, it's pretty much how the brewery is actually looking at the moment. Waiting to start back up with production. Obviously got to wait for all our right licenses, you know, HMRC and EHO and so forth, you know. So just tidying up the brewery, you know, couldn't be moving a few tanks about, you know, painting the floor again, and then obviously doing maintenance of all the kits. Some I've done already. And then we'll do a test brew, you know, just with some water or something, run it through the whole kit, make sure everything's working properly as it should, and it'll be good. So yeah, we're going to get the floor painted in the cellar as well, which is going to be good because that's never been done actually. So ideal opportunity to get it all looking sweet and very nice. So yeah, as soon as we got them licenses anyway, we can start production, get things going again. You know, probably going to scale it down a little bit on what we're doing on the cask beer, and scale more up on keg beer and small pack as well. So things like cans and bottles and stuff like that. So, but there's going to be, I've got absolutely loads of ideas for some brand new beers. The first one we'll be doing is going to be for about 4.5% IPA, plenty of Simcoe, Azacar, Mosaic in it, some Galaxy in there as well. Not sure yet what we're going to package that into, haven't quite made my mind up yet. And the beer is going to be called Back from the Brink. Yeah, name fits well, doesn't it? Anyway, until then, I thought, well, to get some more inspiration, you know, to get some ideas for some future upcoming beers that I want to brew personally, I thought I'd stick an order in with Beers of Europe and order some beer through them and spend the time enjoying those beers and get some ideas, as I said, for some new brews. So while I'd done that, I had to order a couple of bottles of my favourite beer in the whole world, okay, which many of you might know already, but anyway, that's the one, Duchess de Bourgogne, okay. Absolutely love this beer, Flemish red, so I might actually tuck into a bottle of this tonight. You know, it's 30 degrees outside at the moment, so I might enjoy that one tonight. So we've got 18 bottles here, which I've ordered in total. So we've got two there, the Duchess, then we got this one, the Spencer's Trappist Ale. Okay, so yeah, that little one looks quite good. And we've got a nice big bottle here, Lindemans, nice creek. So I've never tried this style before, so good lambic to get tucked into, also 7% as well, so could be interesting, depending on what else I decide to drink after it or before it or whatever, probably after it. But, and then we got this one. All these beers basically I've never ever tried before, so they're all first time for me. So this one, does it say? Just looking for the ABV on this one. It's probably right in front of me, but I can't see it anyway. And we'll have to get Chimay Gold. That's 4.8er. There we go. I should. That one's 8%. So, oh yeah, and we have to get the 10. Really good price on this. I think something like £4 or something. So yeah, I've tried the 6 and the 8, and I thought they were really good. So it'd be good to get stuck into the 10. So it can. Oh yes, Absolutely love these guys. Their beers are absolutely amazing stuff. So, a chocolate story. So, yeah, chocolate milk stout. So, looking forward to getting stuck into this one. 4.8%. To bring you this super chocolatey and creamy milk stout, I've teamed up with the guys from the excellent York Chocolate Story, which brings to life York's iconic part in the history of chocolate in the UK, and our friends from Warngate Ale House, with whom we have worked closely since forming the brewery 4 years ago. So yeah, malts, pale malted oats, Munich brown, malt chocolate, torrefied wheat and carafa free. So that does sound really good. It's got a bunch of lactose in it, which you would expect with this kind of thing. Cacao powder, cacao nibs, chocolate flavouring. So it'd be interesting to taste the chocolate flavouring in that. Let's see what that comes through like. But, sometimes you get that fake kind of taste like, you know, but there we go. There we go, it's the next one. 5.5%, this one, another Belgian beer. What we got here? Oh yes, I love saisons, I do. I've got plans to brew another one, so, you know, I just want to get a few saisons. Other people have brewed, the one that I have done before went down really, really well, you know, which was the ellipsoid saison. So, first world problems, Stuart Brewing. Had to grab a lift with a workmate. Okay, so it's a 6.2%. Belgian IPA. So yeah, looking forward to getting into that one. Next we got, yes, what's this one? No, this one's 9%. Could be an interesting night. Okay, another one was Spencer's. Oh yeah, this is the Monk's Reserve Ale. I might savour this one for a bit because it's limited edition, and I thought actually I was quite lucky to get this. So 10.2%. So obviously made in the USA as well. So got some good ratings on tap, that one as well. I think it's up around about 4 or something like that. So when I looked, there we got Peanut Butter Milk Stout by Tailgate. So we'll see what this one's like. I imagine it's not quite as good as the Buxton Yellow Belly, you know, but there we go. Another saison from Silly. So give that one a whirl. What's the ABV on this one? 5%. So it's not too bad. I think the saison that we done, the ellipsoid, I think that was 5.6, something like that. So the next one I brew, I'm thinking about doing it at a lower ABV, somewhere around about 3.8, 4%, like, you know, and see what the differences are. But then it totally depends on what fruit I decide to put in it as well. So here's another one. So we'll give this one a shot as well. So, looking at this. Again, I think this one's scoring well on Untapped as well. Can't actually see the ABV on this. Oh, it is 10%. Bloody hell, I know. And then this one, no, obviously you've got to go for a flip top bottle, like, you know. There's a triple, 8%. So yeah, I'm definitely looking at doing a lot of European, Belgian kind of stuff, like, you know, blending yeasts as well. Do some some beers that way, make things interesting, you know. Tasting hops and beer is always a good thing, you know. We'll still be throwing out some good IPAs and things like that, but at the moment I personally think there's an overwhelming sea of IPAs out there, you know. So I just want to step it up a little bit if we can, and you know, just start blending, playing around with a few yeasts and stuff like that, propagating some yeasts. Maybe even if I can get some dregs out of these bottles, you know, and propagate them up and see what they look like. Blend them, maybe, I don't know. We'll be doing some small batch brews to start with, see how the beers might turn out with on the original Mad Dog kit up there. You can see on my shoulder, 100 litre kit. And just playing around with some stuff on there, because obviously we want to make sure it works before we actually put it up on the big brew kit. You know, and brew whatever batch size it might be, up to 1,000 litres at a time. So, but there we go. You know, lots of plans as well for us to get doing some stuff in the brewery. You know, with you guys. You know, a few open days, maybe a Christmas event, depending where we are with this virus and whatever. And see where we go then. So yeah, it'd be good to see you guys coming back up to the brewery. You know, to our events. Not only that, get a tap room back open, a bottle shop back open. So it'll all be good. So as I said, you know, there's some good, interesting stuff coming up. You know, the core beers are going to be brewed as well. So starting with Stout Face Marmalade IPA now in a minute. You know, Third Eye as well is a new recipe for Third Eye. Never been happy with it to its entirety anyway, 100%. So I'm going to change the recipe on that and make it a bit more hop forward. Change the yeast in it as well. So we've got more of those tropical fruit notes coming out in it. So yeah, they'll all be in small pack, you know, keg, and you know, maybe a little bit of cask on them as well, but we'll see where it goes. But there we go. There's a bit of an update from me and where we're going to take this at the moment. So stay up to date. We do hopefully do some regular update videos and stuff like that. So there we go. Anyway, I'm going to stop ranting on. Cheers, thanks very much, and I'll see you soon.